Stop wasting time on fake AI money tricks. Here are 5 real ways people are making money with AI right now. If you're a beginner and want to start earning online using AI, this video will show you simple methods you can start today, even with zero experience. The first method is AI freelancing. You can use AI tools to write blogs, YouTube scripts, or social media posts, and sell these services on platforms like Fiverr. Businesses need content every day, and you can use AI to do the work faster and easier. The second method is YouTube with AI. You can use AI to generate video ideas and scripts and then record using your own voice. Once your channel grows, you earn money from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Third is affiliate marketing. You promote AI tools using your videos, and when someone signs up through your link, you earn a commission. This is one of the easiest ways to start because you don't need your own product. Fourth is selling digital products. You can create things like AI prompts, ebooks, or templates, and sell them online. You create it once and sell it again and again. The fifth method is helping businesses use AI. You can set up chatbots, automate replies, or manage their content. Businesses are willing to pay good money because it saves them time. If you're serious about making money with AI, start with one method and stay consistent. Subscribe to Cash with AI for more real strategies, no fake hype.